Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Power BI Data Modeling. My name is Kathy Snizaski, and I'm a Microsoft trainer with 25 years experience helping employees be more efficient using Microsoft products. Power BI is a powerful tool for analyzing and reporting data, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for anyone who has a basic understanding of Power BI and relational data and wants to learn the essentials of building data models. We'll start by identifying which data sources are available for connection and determining data load settings before importing data. Then we'll connect to Excel files, a CSV file, and a SharePoint list. We'll also enter data in Power BI to load as a data source. Next, we'll clean the data. First, we'll determine the integrity of the data by previewing the column quality, distribution, and profile. Then we'll change data types and work with applied steps. From there, we'll transform the data by renaming tables and fields, merging tables, splitting columns, and unpivoting tables. In our last lesson, we'll manage relationships between tables and determine cardinality. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will know how to design and build a well-structured data model by connecting to various data sources, transforming data, and building relationships between tables. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in this course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.